Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Arctic air filter is probably one of the most essential components for maintaining the optimal performance and longevity of your personal air cooler, ensuring that the air you breathe is consistently clean and fresh, which is why choosing the right replacement filter is crucial for a healthy and comfortable living or working environment, especially during warmer months when these devices are used most frequently. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER 12,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. This powerful unit not only cools your room but also functions as a dehumidifier and a fan. It offers flexible control with a full-function remote and an easy-to-read LED display. Designed for rooms up to 550 square feet, it's perfect for keeping you comfortable during hot summer months. Enjoy cool and restful nights with this essential appliance. Stay in control with Wi-Fi connectivity, manage it through our mobile app, or use voice commands with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. It's smart cooling made simple. The Follow Me function on the remote allows it to act as a thermostat. This ensures precise temperature control exactly where you need it most. Setting it up is a breeze with the included window kit. Its large, vented airflow outlet efficiently brings cool air into your space. What we like? This unit offers cooling, dehumidifying, and fan functions all in one. If you are looking for a versatile appliance to handle various comfort needs, this is a great option. Its smart home integration and Follow Me remote make it ideal for tech-savvy users who want precise control over their environment. What people say. It took very little time for my rather large master bedroom to come down in temperature from 90 degrees to 68. The airflow was very strong and it was adjustable. I was able to adjust the angle of the flow quite easily. It cooled my 550 square foot apartment adequately during the summer in an extremely hot place like Phoenix, Arizona, with outside temps of up to 118 degrees Fahrenheit 48 degrees Celsius. Number 4. Medify MA40 Air Purifier. Introducing the Medify MA40, designed to clean the air in large spaces up to 1,793 square feet in just 1 hour. It's perfect for homes, offices, and any large room needing fresh air. Experience superior air quality with its true HEPA H13 filter. It captures 99.9% of particles as small as 0.1 microns, including allergens, smoke, and pet dander. This advanced filtration goes beyond standard HEPA, capturing even finer particles than HEPA H11. Breathe easier knowing it removes dust, smog, and other contaminants. Rest assured with its CARB, ETL, and ENERGY STAR certifications. It's also backed by a USA-registered lifetime warranty for your peace of mind. The replacement filters are built to last, providing up to 3,000 hours or approximately 6 months of continuous use. Enjoy clean air for longer. Whether it's your home, apartment, bedroom, or office, this purifier is ideal for creating a healthier environment. It's also great for schools and businesses. What we like? With its impressive coverage area and advanced H13 HEPA filtration, this air purifier is designed for maximum air cleaning. If you need to tackle smoke, wildfires, or severe allergens in large spaces, its ability to capture ultrafine particles makes it a top choice for health-conscious individuals and families. What people say. Runs quietly with a very small amount of noise. Actually, I put it on 1 hour setting or the sleep setting in the evening to go to sleep at night. It has a soothing, calming sound. It's excellent at eliminating dust and other stuff that triggers my asthma. I appreciate the sleep setting that turns its light off. Within 30 minutes we most definitely noticed a difference in the air quality in the house. Before having these we would wake up with headaches or stuffy noses, and we haven't had a single problem like that since the day we plugged them in. The filters are absolutely amazing, and the sleep whisper mode you can barely hear them. Number 3. ROCKBROS Ski Mask Balaclava Winter Mask. Introducing the ultimate winter mask designed for extreme cold. Stay warm and protected no matter the conditions. Experience superior thermal insulation that keeps you comfortable during all your winter activities. Its design ensures maximum warmth without compromising on breathability. Specifically engineered for men, this mask offers a snug and secure fit. It's perfect for skiing, snowboarding, or any outdoor adventure in freezing temperatures. Crafted with high-quality materials, it provides long-lasting comfort and durability. You can rely on it to shield you from harsh winter elements. Don't let the cold stop you from enjoying your favorite winter sports. This essential accessory is a must-have for any cold weather enthusiast. What we like. This product is specifically designed for extreme cold weather protection. If you are an outdoor enthusiast, cyclist, or skier who needs to shield your face and neck from harsh winds and freezing temperatures, its thermal properties and comfortable fit are essential for your comfort and safety. What people say. This is the best one for extremely cold weather, like under 20°F. This really keeps my face warm and preheats the air a bit, reducing lung and nasal irritation. Your runny nose will stop by like 90%. It is very well ventilated and I've never felt like I couldn't breathe enough through it. Stitching quality is superb. Material is better and thicker than I expected, and when wearing fits snugly and well. Very warm and water resistant, which I wasn't expecting. Brace yourselves, because this balaclava is about to blow your mind, and keep your face warm. Let's start with the obvious. This bad boy provides full coverage warmth. It's fleece and long enough to cover your entire face, nose, mouth, and neck. Say goodbye to those pesky cold temperatures trying to invade your personal space. With this balaclava, you'll be protected from the relentless winter chill like a boss. But wait, there's more. This balaclava is not just your average face mask. Oh no, it's got activated carbon filters that can provide double protection. That's right, folks. Not only will you be warm, but you'll also be dust-proof. Say adios to those annoying particles trying to infiltrate your precious airways. Now, let's talk about breathability. This balaclava is no joke when it comes to keeping you comfortable in tough conditions. It's got air holes on the face mask that are not only practical but also super comfy. So, whether you're battling snowstorms or facing the wrath of Mother Nature, this balaclava will have your back, or rather, your face, while still allowing you to breathe like a champ. This balaclava also adds a head protection bonus. With its extended length, it offers even better wind and cold protection. It's like a cozy fleece fortress for your head, face, and neck. So, if you're one of those brave souls who work outdoors or spend long hours exposed to the elements, this balaclava is your knight in shining armor. And guess what? It's not just for one-size-fits-all noggins. This balaclava is unisex and can fit nearly any head size. You can wear it under a hat, helmet, or even a hooded jacket. It's like a versatile superhero for your face, protecting you during cycling, snowboarding, skiing, or even motorcycling events. You name it, this balaclava can handle it. So there you have it, folks. The ROCKBROS balaclava is a welcome winter companion. It's warm, dust-proof, breathable, head-protecting, and multi-application ready. Don't let the cold weather defeat you. Grab this balaclava and conquer the elements like a true champion. Stay warm, stay stylish, and stay protected with ROCKBROS. Number 2. Ontel Arctic Air Ultra Filter. Keep your cooler clean and extend its lifespan with this essential replacement filter. It's designed to trap dust and impurities, ensuring optimal performance. This filter works to purify the air while it cools your space. Its durable coating helps maintain a cleaner personal environment, and it's safe for use even with hard water. Transform hot, dry air into a cool, moist, and comfortable atmosphere. For the best experience, remember to replace the filter every 3 to 6 months. Replacing the filter is a breeze. Simply use the filter drawer tab to remove the old one, insert the new filter in its designated spot, and close the drawer. For optimal results, lightly pre-soak your new filter under cold running water. For an extra cooling boost, try placing the wet filter in the freezer until it's frozen. What we like. This is a replacement filter designed to maintain the performance of your personal cooler. If your current filter is old or clogged, replacing it with this spongy material will help trap impurities and enhance the cooling efficiency. It's perfect for users who want to ensure their Arctic Air Ultra continues to provide optimal comfort. What people say. This little machine has been a lifesaver for my personal space. It's great for hot flashes too. Works very well for personal, not entire room, space. Unless the outside temp reached 100+ degrees, I live in Hotlanta, GA, didn't need to use home air unit. Filter is easy to replace. In the hot summer days, so nice to have an extra filter to put in the freezer, soak it first, and the air is so much cooler. Even better if you put in a few ice cubes in the water reservoir. Number 1. VEVA Filter B Replacement for Germ Guardian Air Purifiers. Experience premium air quality with our HEPA filters. They capture tiny particles like dust, pet dander, and pollen, as small as 0.3 microns. Perfect for allergy and asthma sufferers. Get amazing value with this pack. It includes 3 HEPA filters and 12 activated carbon pre-filters. Easily replace pre-filters after use to save time and effort. These filters are designed for a great fit every time. They are compatible with various Germ Guardian and other air purifier models. Installation is quick and easy with our included instructions. Breathe easier with our activated charcoal filters. They effectively reduce common household odors from pets, smoking, and cooking. This pack can provide a year of fresh air. Your satisfaction is our priority. Our customer service team is dedicated to providing you with the best experience. Contact us with any questions for a prompt response. What we like. This filter set offers a comprehensive solution for cleaner air and odor reduction. If you're dealing with pet dander, cooking smells, or smoke, the combination of HEPA and activated carbon filters is highly effective. The value pack, including pre-filters, makes it an economical choice for maintaining air quality in allergy-prone households. What people say. Arrived great condition, fits perfectly, immediately notice the improvement. Works well, great price, extra sponge filters, lasted for 6 months with constant use. Been using it for years in our church chapel and works perfectly for what we need for our room. Our room is very old and Fido. Easy to change filters. Improves air quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.